My G dishwasher stopped draining, and I'm gonna show you the simple solution. It was the air gap. This air gap right here, it was clogged up, so all I had to do was clean it out. But first, I'm gonna show you what it looked like when I got up this morning. It was water all over the floor, and water was still standing here in the dishwasher. So I'm gonna show you how to drain it. Since I cleaned out the air gap, I can drain it now. So you push the start. Then once you push the start, you hold the start button for 3 to 4 seconds. And what it do, it cancels and it starts draining. You see the water is coming out now. So you repeat this process over until all the water has drained out. As you can see, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna hit the start. And then I'm gonna hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. And as you can see, right here, the water is draining out. So I don't have the cap back on. I just wanted to show you how the water drains out now. And you may have to repeat this process about 3 times to get all the water out the bottom. But since I did it, I might as well go ahead and clean the filter since I cleaned the air gap. You see I got some glass in there and everything. I even had a chicken bone in there. But what you want to do is unscrew this filter. And if you see, this filter is filthy. Looks like it hadn't been cleaned forever. Got collard greens and beans and everything stuck into this filter. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this cover off right here and look under, make sure there's nothing under there. Since I'm doing this, I might as well go ahead and go through the process of cleaning these other things. So I'm gonna raise this up and look under it, see what it looks like. As you see, it's not really nothing under there. It's more of a cover getting to the motor and the pump and everything. So I'm gonna have to get a vacuum or something and suck all this other garbage out. So I'm gonna take the filter outside and I'm gonna spray it off. And this filter is really easy to clean. You can either hold it in your hand and get a water hose and spray it off, or you can just put it on a stand or something like I'm gonna do right here. And this stand, this is the bottom part of my George Foreman grill. Just a top part, so I'm gonna just fit it up there and just spray the filter off. As you can see how clean the filter got, looks brand new. So now I'm gonna go and put everything back together, make sure all my connections are tight, make sure my hoses under my sink is tight so I don't have no leaks later. I'm gonna take this off and show you how to put it back on. It's pretty easy, just turn it one time, lock it in place. Also, the filter is the same way. You just sit it in, you see those arrows, you turn it clockwise until it locks. And I'm gonna pull up on it, it's locked. And that's really all to it. No more water standing and the dishwasher works like it's brand new. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel and you can look in the description for filters and other things related to your dishwasher. Have a great day. Thank you.